Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can convert any audio and video files into MP4 format using your VLC Media Player in your Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open VLC Media Player software. If you have not installed it, then download and install it by searching it in the Google or by visiting its official websites. And once you install, you open it, and once you run or open the software, you can see here in the left top corner there is written a media. Just click on it and just select this convert or save. Just click it. Now you can see here the option to add. You can see here on the right side. Just click on it and go to the folder where you have saved those videos or audio that you want to convert. Say I want to convert this CAF audio file into MP4, so I will select it, click open. Now you can see here below convert or saved. Just click on it. Now you can see here the source. Now here is some details, so you don't need to do anything here. So here is a destination files where you want to save, so we'll just browse and we'll give a new name here like recordings. Final recordings I will type here, say, for your better understanding. So you can see here there is only one format available, that is the MP4. So click save. Now your output source has been saved, and now after selecting this, just click on start. Wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's processing. You can see the blue line, so it's completed. Now you can see here in the desktop there is a new audio file with the MP4 format. You can see the original file. I will showing you in the properties. So you can see the original file is .cap. Now after conversion, you can see here now the audio format is .mp4. Similarly, you can do in the case of video too, just by going back in the same process, and you can select any video file and just do the same process and follow the same process and apply the same process, and ultimately you will get a .mp4 format even in the case of the video files. So you try it out by yourself, and it's very useful without needing to have any third-party video converter softwares. You can convert any audio or video using this VLC Media Player. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.